Welcome. In today's video, we'll guide you step by step on how to add a left job life event to your Facebook profile. Whether you're marking a career change or simply updating your timeline, this process is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once it loads, tap on the text box at the top of your feed that says, "What's on your mind?" This is where you typically start creating a post. Next, scroll through the options until you find the section labeled Life Events. Tap on it to proceed. Life events are designed to highlight significant milestones in your life, and leaving a job is one of them. Now, within the Life Events menu, select the category titled Work. This will bring up several options related to your professional life. From here, choose the option labeled Left Job. This specific selection allows you to share details about leaving a workplace. After selecting Left Job, you'll be prompted to fill in some details. Enter the name of the workplace you've left and any additional information you'd like to include. You can also adjust the date if needed. Once everything is filled out, tap Next. Finally, review your post to ensure all the details are accurate. If everything looks good, tap on Post to share it with your friends and followers. Your life event will now appear on your timeline for others to see and engage with. And that's it. You've successfully added a Left Job life event to your Facebook profile. This is a great way to keep your network updated about important changes in your life. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech tips. Thanks for watching.